Manufacturing is a team sport through and through, that there isn't a quarterback, I would say, in trying to get a product produced. You have different organizations that might prioritize specific roles over the other. Apple's a classic example, it's all around design. But manufacturing truly is a team sport. So as you build a product or a user interface, you really have to think about how do you support the team through this journey? How do I allow a mechanical engineer to configure, make engineering trade-offs, design trade-offs? But then you want to make it easy for a purchasing manager to be able to do reorders or to be able to track the goods. You might have a quality engineer that needs to see reports or traceability or look at, in automotive, what we call PPAP, very specific things in industry. And so I think you need to build interfaces and approach the solution set with this idea of who are you serving and what are their true needs. And I think when you get to combine that with technology, simple interfaces, really great design, you build a product that people love, something that feels natural and like it was built for them. And that's our goal at Fictiv.